Hey, what's up, people? I hope you're doing great. I welcome you to the weekly fashion news that we discuss on every Saturday. But this week, fashion has been a bit turbulent because we have lost one of the individuals from one of the most famous influential group, and Louis Vuitton has been caught in a very big scandal. We'll discuss it all, obviously. और आपको ये न्यूज़ सुन के बहुत ही मज़ा आएगा, सारे ही न्यूज़ सुन के बहुत ही मज़ा आएगा, obviously. So I request you to watch the video till the end. Now let's begin with the news. So hello. My name is Rupanji Kumar, and I welcome you to Renaissance Solocast. Let's begin the day with a controversial news. So Louis Vuitton has introduced a bag, and वो bag एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा controversial bag है. Now, to know how controversial that bag is, I will need to discuss the whole story behind the bag. So please listen carefully. So Louis Vuitton has released a luxury bag which exactly looks like a red and a white checkered pattern, and it is famously known as the Ghana Must Go bag. The bag represents the painful survival instinct that the Ghana people had during the 1983 expulsion. Expulsion basically means forced migration from your own place. ठीक है, मतलब अगर ज़बरदस्ती आपको अपने घर से निकाला जाए. So the Ghana people were removed from Nigeria, like they were forced to migrate from Nigeria to some other place, and people used the bag as a symbol of survival. Now, Louis Vuitton has released this bag for around $3,000, $3,000 equivalents to around somewhere around 3 lakh rupees. Okay, अगर इंडियन करेंसी में हम बात करें तो, and the critics are all over the internet asking for the credits of all of these inspiration, because obviously these big brands don't give credits to the small communities from where they have taken their designs or their piece of history from, right? I've discussed it in a video, वो आई बटन में या फिर डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको मिल जाएगा, obviously you can watch that too. But what I feel in this situation, what I personally feel in this situation is that कि ये जितने भी बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स हैं, राइट, लाइक लुई विटॉन, लाइक अदर प्राडा वगैरह, जितने भी ये हैं हु डज लाइक दिस थेफ्ट ऑफ cultural identity and cultural things, they should very much think of what they can actually steal. Even if you're stealing something, you're not giving credits to that, but this topic could be very sensitive, and they should very much look upon this, because if you don't look upon these sensitive topics, it could ruin your brand image. So that is what my approach is for the new brands, particularly who are out there trying to build something. You should very much think of whatever you are saying or whatever you are at least portraying through your brand, right? The next news is a bit saddening. An unknown yet a legend in the fashion industry has passed away. Her name is Marina Yee. She was a part of Antwerp 6, which is a group of 6 Belgian designers who put Belgium in the map of fashion, like global level पे Belgium को famous करने में in the part of fashion. This group was very much responsible. Dries Van Noten was the part of the group. Might have heard the name of Dries Van Noten, मेरे से ही कभी ना कभी, and he is a very creative designer. Similar wise, Marina Yee was also the part of the group, and she was the pioneer of the fashion industry. अगर आपको लगता है कि Mason Martin Margiela or Margiela was the pioneer of the fashion industry, so he is considered to be the part of this group, even though he was not the integral part of the group. But 6+1 वाले segment में जो मैंने बताया, ये group Antwerp 6 वाला group, इसमें एक और section आ जाता है Antwerp 6+1. इस group में he is also the +1 of the group, and because he was someone who was building his brand at the same time जब ये अपने collections launch कर रहे थे, right? So he used to look up to these designers and like do his designs and everything. It is sad to see her go away at the age of 67 because of cancer. The fashion industry would miss her a lot because she was the pioneer, the OG pioneer of the fashion industry. It was sad to see one of the pioneers of the fashion industry go, and most of you might not even know her. But taking forward her legacy, let's also discuss who are the best in the industry right now. Anoka has been awarded the Model of the Year for the year 2025, and what I feel is that she very much deserves it, as she has been one of the most consistent and one of the most influential models for the last 1 decade. and she deserves it. So it's great. Apart from this, ASAP Rocky has won the CFDA Fashion Icon of the Year. And again, talking about Rocky, so he has been one of the most best dressed individuals in the last 2 or 3 years, very specifically, because he has experimented a lot with his fashion. And there is a speculation that ASAP Rocky could be the next brand ambassador for Chanel, because he has been doing this Chanel thingy very much. I would discuss that in details in Instagram, so you can follow me there too. The next news is coming from Ralph Lauren, the individual, not the brand. The individual himself, he has been awarded the prestigious American Women's Wear Designer of the Year, which is a very, very big award for him. He has created this big brand, Ralph Lauren. All of us knows it. He deserves it. He has been working in the industry for more than 2 decades. Even like he has worked a lot. Just know that. So he very much deserves it. The next news is coming from Olivier Rostring. You might not know him, but he was the creative director of Balma. You might pronounce it anyways, Balma, Balma, क्या बैल में जो भी pronounce करते हो आप उस way में समझ लो, but the correct pronunciation is Balma, right? So he was the creative director at Balma for like 14 years, and he was one of the youngest creative directors in the field of fashion industry, right? So he joined the house at the age of 25, and he increased the sale of the brand by around 1000%. That's the Vogue report that Vogue has submitted, and it has been a great journey. He has left a big legacy behind at the house of Balma, and now he's possibly going to some other house. I hope you did like the bites within the fashion industry. Now let's move on to some Indian news. Fortunately, we have two Indian news. So let's begin. The very first news is coming from the brand Country Made. Country Made is a homegrown Indian brand, and they're very popular for their outerwear jackets and their shirts and everything. They've come up with their autumn winter 2025 collection, which is themed as residual. The collection features and themes on the topic residual. It basically means the after war wali jo cheeze hoti hai, the color pattern and everything, the texture, even the texture is resemblance to that, right? They're very, very creative. You can actually look through their website, and you can look through their Instagram page. I will probably link them down below as well. If you want to check out, then you can check the description. The last and the final news is coming from Garuda, and with Garuda I want to say one particular thing. My design language and Garuda's design language has been a bit coinciding, and whatever they are doing, I'm liking that very much. I've been following them for the last 2.5 years, and उनका काम मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है, because whatever they are doing is like something not available in India, or nobody is doing that, right? उनका थोड़ा ऐसा polyester orientation रहता है with clothes. Every cloth is uh, customizable. Every cloth is correlated with another product, and that is something very, very interesting. So they have come up with their autumn winter 2025 collection, which is themed as shelter. They have named the collection as shelter. और उसका जो पूरा का पूरा concept है, it's about breaking boundaries. Like the body don't have a fixed structure to it. You could wear anything that you want. Like they have good concepts, very, very good concepts, and like the concepts like bones and architecture, like which are like moving. They have made बहुत सारे ऐसे accessories regarding all of this, and the collection looks good, right? Good, it's very, very good. If you have that sort of money to like purchase Garuda, I would very much encourage you to purchase that, because that would be worth the money. And there is a request that I want to make. I have not made this request for any other brand in India, but if you want to learn and understand like fashion, then and if you think that there is an Indian brand who actually does something for fashion wala thing, so Garuda is to be followed wala types brand. And that was it for the video. I hope you did like the video. The week was full of major moves. को इधर से उधर जा रहा है. Marina E passed away. Louis Vuitton did a big scandal. Two of the Indian brands have dropped their autumn winter collection. और लोगों ने जो like the major individuals who have won the model of the year, the CFDA icon of the year, and the women's wear designer of the year, बहुत सारी चीजें हुई इस हफ्ते. I hope you did like the news. Please let me know about your review. Like do comment your favorite part, favorite news, उसमें से आपको कुछ add on करना है वगैरह वगैरह चीजें, तो you can do it. I'll meet you on Wednesday with some good underrated news. हम इस हफ्ते वीडियो नहीं डाल पाए थे. I'm really sorry about that. We were a bit occupied with things, but From the next week, nothing such thing could happen, would happen, not could happen. I'll meet you the next week. Thank you very much. See you. Have a great day. Bye bye.